Welcome to becoming a FIFA YouTuber in 2023, a step-by-step guide to success.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
You may be thinking I'm crazy to start a YouTube channel in 2023 that also for FIFA, now known as EAFC. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 tips on how you can start and grow your FIFA YouTube gaming channel. Stay tuned for hack number 8 and 9. So, how can you make it big as a FIFA YouTuber this year? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Finding your niche. With millions of FIFA fans online, it's crucial to stand out. I would divide this further in choosing what you want to do. You could either record gameplays with voiceover or else live stream. The choice is yours based on the tools you have on your disposal. Consider specializing in a specific aspect of the game, like Ultimate Team, Career Mode, or skill tutorials. This helps you target a dedicated audience. Step 2. Creating high-quality content. You don't need to invest in good expensive equipment in the start to capture stunning gameplay footage and maintain high-quality audio. You can achieve that with basic and cheap devices on Amazon. But remember, your audience deserves the best. Step 3. Building your brand. Develop a unique and memorable brand for your channel. This includes creating an eye-catching logo, designing compelling thumbnails, and choosing a consistent style for your videos. All this can be done with the help of Canva and ChatGPT. Step 4. Consistent upload schedule. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Your viewers should know when to expect new content. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Step 5. Engaging with your audience. Interact with your viewers through comments, live streams, and social media. Building a community around your channel is key to success. Step 6. Collaborate with others. Partnering with fellow FIFA YouTubers can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility in the community. Step 7. Promote your channel. Utilize social media such as Facebook pages, which are filled with Ultimate Team fan pages, or forums like Discord and other platforms to promote your content. Make sure your channel is easily discoverable. Step 8. Stay informed and adapt. This is the most important tip. The world of FIFA is ever evolving, which requires you to stay up to date with the latest updates, strategies, and trends to keep your content fresh and relevant. In the case of Ultimate Team, new promos, current meta, etc., staying on top of it give you an added advantage. Step 9. Be patient and persistent. I always say this: YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Success takes time. Don't get discouraged by slow growth or challenges. Keep refining your skills and content. So guys, if you keep these 9 tips in mind and give it 1 year, trust me, you will see tremendous growth and become one of the best FIFA EAFC content creator. So what are you waiting for? Get up from your bed and create your channel. And there you have it. With dedication, creativity, and perseverance, you can become a FIFA YouTuber in 2023. So, grab your controller, hit that record button, and let your passion for FIFA shine through. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow FIFA enthusiasts. Together, we'll score big in the world of FIFA content creation.